Topic 60. Spears a full shoulder scrub. Dear everyone, we want Vietnam early have a freedom, democracy and human rights. Each one have to become peace full shoulder scrub and doing two things below. 1. Expose racist crimes Ho Chi Minh and Vietnam Communist. They are the betrayers, murderers, cheaters, traitors, henchmen, evil, mirror, robber, house and land of their population. Shot on their air, trigger of the gun, die their people. Second, spread the value of the freedom, democracy and human rights to all paths from the cities to the village with oil spill. These are two necessary and sufficient factors to form the anti-population of the total flood, teacher landslide, and spontaneously anywhere doesn't force a few where the communists will connect traitor troop destroy us Tiananmen Square. If have any team put under the martial law of the Communist Republic, China, Russian, American, any organization, we cut it out. No opportunity for communist exit. So please all people send about 120 videos of mine. That is the basic equipment to the virtual detoxification of the whole and Vietnam community. Look forward to many people who study and use as a document they know thing. Whole and Vietnam communists to anyone in the country, special for young adults, are the strip community up. My name Dr. Also thank many people who have hear my videos and give me encouragement, like, comment, like, supporter, like, and send to author, rate, share. My web material name is Dr. or Dr. Kamisa on the YouTube and Facebook and so on. I also thank all of you so much. Besides West Sea wars is changing other ways. Philippines is a hot fan flowing international circle. ASEAN countries have to connect to get the opposite with China. This even American will give Vietnam up and Vietnam itself will fall down following China, Russia or Japan. Mean of the American. American only need to contract with China and Russia about West Sea. Any contract need American itself come to America. America not need to have economic for any country. Will China have to take care more countries around ASEAN area? That is this position world war of West Sea today. Thank you all. Dr. Kamisa.